Today I'm going to show you how to make your own softener to wash your clothes with. The book I take the recipe from is The Art of the Natural Home by Rebecca Sullivan. I highly recommend this book, I use it all the time. So I make my own cleaning products because I like to use natural products. To make fabric softener you need Epsom salts and baking soda. Because I buy a sack full off Amazon, I've already put mine in there ready to whiz up. I also use an essential oil to fragrance it, and I'm using a lavender today from the doTERRA range. Again, I highly recommend the doTERRA range, the products are very good quality. So I've got the Epsom salts and the bicarb in there. So a kilo of Epsom salts and half a kilo of baking soda. So I'm just going to put some lavender in there just to fragrance it. There we go, and it's so ridiculously easy. You just whiz it all up together, combine all the ingredients together. In fact, you probably don't even need to use food mixer for this, but it just makes it a bit easier. So make sure everything's all combined, and you just move it around a little bit. The other added bonus is it makes the house smell really nice while you're doing it because of the essential oils in there. So that's your fabric softener made. You then use about 2 tablespoons at a time in your washing to keep them nice and soft, and I will decant this into a plastic container so I can use it as and when I need it. Hope that's helped everybody.